Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, today I'm going to show you this pressure cooker I just got. I'm going to see if this is really lifesaver. It says I got it from Wico, as you can see, and it's served up as a feast. So that's it, pressure cooker. You can see it says 10 auto cooking programs, non-stick removable cooking pots, and makes cleaning simple. Delay timer and keep warm function. Steam rack, measure cup, and rice spoon included. So guys, this is how the pressure cooker came. So I'm going to be unboxing it right now, and I'm going to be making some recipe with it. Hopefully, let me see if it's really worth it. It comes with 2 years guarantee, 6-liter capacity, and it has 10 settings on it. Yeah, so here are some of the functions. I'm going to put it on big screen so we can see them properly. Yeah guys, so these are some of the functions this pressure cooker have. You can see you can use it to make rice, porridge, meat and chicken, pie, fast cooking, long cooking. You can use it to steam, to make fish, cake, and beans. Okay, it have keep warm function, and it has time pressure function. Okay guys, so these are some of the functions this pressure cooker have, and I got it from Wico. So I was lucky, it was on sales when I got it, so I said okay, let me try and invest on it to save some time. This video is not sponsored. I bought it with my money. I got it with my cash. So guys, all right, let's unbox this. So that's it. It says this versatile 6-liter pressure cooker cooks quickly to lock in flavor and goodness. It has 10 automatic programs, making it perfect for cooking vegetables, meat, fish, and rice. When the meal is done, simply remove the cooking pot. Okay, so these are the instructions that comes with it. I guess there should be also an instruction inside. It has some key features. So guys, let's just open this, as I'm trying to save some time also while trying to make some nice meal for my kids and family. So I guess this is going to be very helpful. I'm going to take off all these, and okay, we have the instruction book here, so I'm going to read this later because I'm not used to pressure cooker, so I can know more on how to use this. Okay, this is how it is in the pack. I'm going to bring it out now. Wow guys, this is big. This is so massive. This is big. So this is the cover. I'm going to see how to unlock it. As I said earlier, it's my first time getting a pressure cooker, so I don't know how to do that. So guys, I'm just going to open it. This is where you have the function to open it. So that's how it looks like inside. This is the lid. So nice and clean, nice color. So comes with a warning instruction. So I'm just going to take this out. I guess this should be the steaming tray. This is to steam like your veggies. Oh, and it have this nice spoon. This nice spoon to stir your food. I love this. Let me show it properly. This is how it looks like. So I hope I'm going to enjoy this, making some nice delicious food, some chicken for my kids. Okay, and it comes with a measure cup. What's this for? Okay, I don't know what's this for. Maybe when I read further I will get to know what to do with this. For now, I'm going to keep it. This is the socket. Okay. Well, I can't wait to start exploring this pressure cooker. I bought this like 6 weeks ago, like 6 or 7 weeks ago. I bought it. I saw it on sales. I was not like ready to spend the money on it, but I just saw it on sales. It was like half price. Then I said, oh wow, let me just get this to save my time, to save myself some time. So this is the pot inside, of which I guess I can make some nice jollof rice, some spaghetti, some nice meal. I can, though I'm not like good with baking, but I can try to bake some nice stuff also. This is how the inside looks like, and it's so heavy, guys. So heavy. I'm trying to use like all my energy to lift this. It's so heavy, so heavy. The bottom have like this, like protecting lid, like a silicone to like stick it to the ground, to your kitchen table, so it won't like slip off. So I think this is a very good idea. This white silicone is a very nice idea. So to plug it in, I have not checked. Oh, here, there you go. That is where you can connect the plug in, and that's it. So guys, that's the unboxing of my pressure cooker. If you want to see a recipe, if you want me to make any nice recipe with this for you, if you want to see how I'm going to enjoy this with making some nice healthy meal, do drop a comment for me. And I'm not going to be posting this video till I use it to make like 5 to 6 meals. Then I will do a little voiceover to add to it to give a nice feedback, or if it's not that like good the way I have heard about it, then I also give a comment so you guys can know if it's time saving or not. But hopefully I guess it's going to be. So guys, that's it. That's the pressure cooker. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you love my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, lovies, thank you. So guys, this is my review after like 2 months of using this pressure cooker. And guys, I'm going to tell you the truth, this pressure cooker is a lifesaver, is a time saver. Oh my goodness, if I tell you that I've now parboiled my meat on pressure cooker before transferring it to my pot to cook, and it makes life so easy for me. You can see the spaghetti I made with this pressure cooker. Oh my goodness. If you tried this pressure cooker on jollof rice, wow, you're just going to be having that, you know, when you use that Nigerian native agege pot, that egg pot, I don't know how they call it, to make jollof rice. You know, that scent, that delicacy, that's what you're gonna get. Thank you for